Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning again, grade 8. So today we will be discussing about factoring quadratic trinomials. Okay, we have two cases here. The first case would be this one, x squared being x squared plus bx plus c. Okay, you will notice on this case that the x squared has no numerical coefficient beside it. So wala siyang katabi na a or any number. Okay, and we are denoting the ABCs, or on this case B and C, as any real number. Sabihin sila yung mga numbers na nag-exist, say 1, 1/2, and so on. So let's proceed with the example and I will discuss to you the steps. X squared, say we have x squared plus 6x plus 8. Okay, so in this case, ang ginagawa natin na pinakauna, ating first step is you're actually looking for the factors of C, yung ating 8, looking for the factors of C that has a sum of P. So ang ginagawa natin, hahanapin natin yung factors ni 8 na pag pinag-add natin, kasi we are looking for the sum that has a sum of P. So what would happen here is, firstly, this is actually mostly trial and error. So of course I will try ano ba yung factors ni 8. Okay, for 8, the factors of 8 is just simply 4 times 2. You also have 8 times 1. And since that is a positive number, in multiplication, please go back on this. Okay, we will not go back on this. Kayo na ang bahalang mag-check. So other factors na 8 is negative 4 times negative 2. And also we have negative 8 times negative 1. This is under integers, okay? This is under integers. So please go back on this one. So let's now try to add. Sabi daw dyan, you look for the factors of 8, that when you add, the answer is P. And ang B natin, take note, is positive 6. Okay? So let's have 4 plus 2, 8 plus 1, negative 4 plus negative 2, negative 8 plus negative 1. Okay, so you will add them. So this would be 6, this would be 9, this would be negative 6, and this would be negative 9. Okay? Now, if you will check this one, ang ating given is just actually positive 6. So you will check whether which one of these 4 has an answer of positive 6. And there you will notice that the first one is actually yielding a positive 6. Therefore, we will take these factors. Okay? So, ang next step na natin gagawin is, after you have identified kung ano man yung hinahanap natin, you just simply have to take the factors. Kukunin mo lang yung factors nun. Take note, hindi po ito yung kukunin natin, not that. Ang kukunin natin, itong naka-red na box, factors. Then you have to split them. Okay? Split them in what form? So, mangyayari dyan would be, you will split them in the form of, split x and the factors. Ibig sabihin, since ang sagot naman lagi sa kahit anong klaseng quadratic trinomial is a binomial, so your answer would be like this. Sabi daw, split mo daw si x, hatiin mo si x sa dalawa, and then you split this 2, that is 4 and 2. And lastly, just a side note, you have to take the sign. Sabihin, kukunin mo yung sign nung alin. Take the sign of the factors. So pag akuha mo ng sign ng factors, this one is positive 4 and this one is positive 2, then therefore this is now your final answer. Yun na yun, ganun lang kadali. Find the factors of the C, the constant that has a sum of the B, yung ating may bx. Next one is, after you have found it, take the factors, split the x and the factors. So ganun lang kadali. Let's have another example. Say we have x squared minus 5n, 5x plus let's have plus 6 plus 6. Okay? So first thing that we need to do is, of course, we need to look for the factors of 6. So again, ang ginagawa natin, you are looking for the factors of 6. And take a note, the factors of 6 is just simply 2 times 3. 6 times 1. Tama? And then we have also, since positive yan, pwede rin yung double negative. So that's negative 2 times negative 3. And negative 6 times negative 1. Then again, pag nakuha mo yung factors niya, you have to add those factors. So you will have 2 plus 3, 6 plus 1, negative 2 plus negative 3, and negative 6 plus negative 1. Okay? So again, you will add them up, find the sum. 2 plus 3 is 5, 6 plus 1 is 7, negative 2 plus negative 3 is negative 5, negative 6 plus negative 1 is negative 7. So you will notice na ito, baka ito yung unang pumasok sa isip nyo, ay ito 5. This one is equals to the middle term. But take a note that the middle term is actually a negative 5. So mangyayari dyan is, that's not the answer. So you have to take the number that is exactly equal to the middle term. And that is negative 5. Okay? Since that is negative 5, kukunin mo yung factors ng negative 2 and negative 3. Which is what? Ito yan. Negative 2 and negative 3. And then of course, sabi nga natin, pagkakuha mo nung sagot dyan is you just have to split the x and you have to split the factors, which is x and negative 2 and negative 3. Follow? I hope you did. So ganun lang ginagawa natin. And in some cases as well, magkakaroon naman kayo ng answers like this one. Ng questions like this one. X squared minus 3x plus minus 21. Yeah, minus 21. So we have this given. Ang gagawin natin ngayon is we will be looking for the factors of negative 21. Ang factors ng negative 21 is just simply 7 times 3. Okay? Pero you will notice na for 7 times 4. Yeah, 7 times 3. I guess so. Wait, let me change the question a little bit. I think I got it wrong for a while. Okay, say let's have negative 5x minus, for a while I'm thinking, okay, minus 50. Let's have this one. Okay, so you will look for the factors of negative 50. And take note, the factors of negative 50 is just simply 5 times 10. Pero again, that is a negative number. Again, in multiplication po ng integers is kapag may negative number ka, the factors must be alternating. Ibig sabihin, may isang positive, may isang negative. May isang positive, may isang negative. So you take the factors as is, like a whole number na positive. Pero ang factors na magiging sagot mo ng final answer is alternate. Pag may negative na product, the factors must be alternating of signs. And then again, kung positive, negative yan, pwede rin naman siyang negative times positive. And then we still have 25 times 2, positive, negative. And we will also have negative 25 times positive 2. And what else? We also have 50. 50 times 1 and 50 times 1. Pero again, plus, minus, and minus, plus. So, medyo maraming factors kapag may negative ka. Kasi bakit? Nadodoble yung bilang ng factors mo. In a sense, okay? So, let's check this one na. So, we will have positive 5 plus negative 10, negative 5 plus positive 10, and so on. Okay? Now, since this is addition ng magkaiba ng sign, we are not actually doing addition. What we are actually doing is we are subtracting. And we are taking the sign of the larger number again. Taking the sign of the larger number. Okay? So this would be 10 minus 5 is 5. And 10 minus 5 is still 5. Pero again, we are taking the sign of the larger number. Ano yung mas malaki? Yung 5 o yung 10? So it would be negative 10. So we will take the sign of negative. This is positive 10, so you will take the sign of positive. So I will not evaluate the rest because you will see that we have already arrived with our desired middle term, which is negative 5. And again, ang kukunin natin yung factors nung kahilera niya. Okay? So, on this case, magiging sagot dito is just simply split the x, split the factors, copy their signs. And this would be your final answer. Okay? So, I hope you got that. And that would be the first case.